Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this beautiful makeup look, so let's get into the video. I already applied moisturizer, so applying Huda Beauty primer with my fingers. Here I am taking Huda Beauty foundation with flat brush and blending with damp beauty blender. For the eyebrow, I am taking this dark brown eyebrow powder and filling with the flat angle brush. Here I am taking this concealer to clean the edges of the eyebrow. Now I am taking the same concealer underneath the eyes and high points of the face. To set the concealer, here I am using MAC Losing powder all over the face. I am taking this beautiful orange shade from the Coco Urban palette and applying on the upper crease of the eyelid, then blending with floppy brush. Then taking the slightly darker color than previous one from the same palette and applying on the crease line. After that, I'm taking the same concealer and applying to the mid of the eyelid. Here I am taking brightest shimmery color and applying center of the eyelid. Now I am taking this glittery eyeliner and applying on the top of the shimmery color. taking this light brown color as bronzer and applying on the cheekbone. After that, I'm taking this light pink color as a blush and applying on the top of the cheek. Here I'm applying highlighter on the top of the cheeks and high points of the face. Here I'm taking nude matte lipstick and applying with the small flat brush. At last, I'm taking this naked makeup fixer to set the entire makeup look. Thanks for watching the video.